Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to show calendar in Outlook. So, as you can see, I'm using the Outlook 365 version that comes with an Office 365. If you want to show a calendar in Outlook, you just need to press this calendar icon on the bar right here. Maybe you have this bar on the bottom of your screen application right here, but anyways, you just need to press the calendar and the calendar will be shown of you. Okay, I have some appointments and meetings right here, and also some holidays in Poland and in the US, as you can see. So for example, here's the Poland holiday and also the US holiday right here. And if you want to show your calendar, just press on the calendar icon. So again, maybe from people, go to calendar, and this will bring you to your Outlook calendar, which is, as you can see right here, my calendars. And my calendar is the calendar that I have on my account that is, signed to specifically to my account. So this is it. This is how you can show calendar in Outlook. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.